Inside this rather large box is perhaps a vacuum cleaner that I wouldn't have put into a box like this. I'm hoping it's still intact. I'm hoping that it's not completely destroyed. Let's have a look at what is in here and what sort of condition it's in. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this is a refurb job for a fellow collector, not something that I have bought on eBay, and yeah, I'm hoping that inside this ruined packaging is vacuum cleaner, because that's what should be in here. Well, just come on back. Right. So we have a single pedal pneumatic floor tool. That is actually for me. Thank you very much. You know who you are. That give the game away, folks, does it? What this machine could be, this should. Oh, thank goodness for that. Okay, well, we have an intact wand. Almost intact. There is a dent there on the edge. I don't know if it was there before or not, but there is a dent now. Right. Oh, I've been looking forward to unboxing it, just so I can get rid of all of the packaging. So there is a penny. There's also a distinct lack of any plastic going around, so that's a good sign. So maybe this thing wasn't packed quite so bad after all. Oh, crumbs. The state of that. This is pretty much, well, that's a good idea. Look as well, there's cardboard and polystyrene. Oh God, right, I'm going to, oh hello, what's this? Some filters. As well, in a turn of power, 2 backpacks. Marvellous! Okie dokie, I am going to clear up all of this and we'll have a look at this. There we go. Oh, lots more space now for having a look at this. So, what is it? Well, this is a Dyson DC01 standard. Not a HEPA, not a Distill, not an Arctic Solo. Completely and utterly standard as you like. Very, very common machine. The first Dyson I ever saw was my stepmother's very recent one of these, because that would have been 95, 96 that they met. My first ever Dyson. So they do hold a soft spot in my heart. Growing up, probably 2004, 2005, you could buy these from the tip, 3 for a £5. I used to drive my parents mad bringing these home. Couldn't do any of that now, big shame. So yeah, these do hold a little place in my heart, and I've been asked to refurbish this one. So what exactly do we have? Well, we don't have to worry about deciphering a serial number today, because Can you see, look? 5th of the 6th, 1998. 1 year younger than my car. My car's 97. There we go, look, 1200 watts. It's quite dirty. You'll see all this before me. We'll always put it down before we drop it. And we shall flip it over and have a look at the underside. Now, the brush roller is in okay condition. These do start to wear nowadays, sadly. They're just getting to that age. Oh, that boxing was unhard. The wheels need a little bit of packing out on the axles. Suction flaps are fine. It's got its little rubber part for the faceplate automatic adjustment. Doesn't already have a filter in it, so that's probably because he's taking it out because he wants to put new ones in. That's fine. If we open this up, there is a post-rotor filter. Quite well used, as you can see. These things don't have fantastic filtration at all. It's just so filthy. Like, the dirt is just encrusted on. Right, let's get the wand on while we're at this higher angle. So we'll pop the wand on. Like so. And we are ready to go. The cable has its donut. I have to leave that on apparently. He likes the donut. This is fair enough. It's, I mean, if it was a machine that would be used, God, off it comes because it breaks the cables internally. But on a collection machine, probably going to be alright. I should examine the cable and see what it's like underneath the donut. Oh, it hasn't got bang yet, although I don't think these have a habit of doing that. So. That's not bad at all. Actually, it'll sound louder because there's no filters, but that isn't too horrific. That wasn't bad at all. Actually, we take this off the main bottom with the Dyson DC01. Yeah, that is full of rice, very nicely, and a bit of fluff. That actually isn't working too badly. Really, it looks like hell. I'll be honest, it looks like it could literally kill you. But it has both of its wheel axles, covers in place. Doesn't have any small tools. They're perfectly easy to get hold of. It's an original hose. They're made from that quality on the pattern part market. It's I can see why he wants it refurbishing. There is next to nowhere on the base plate. It's even the wheels are actually a bit wobbly, but that's fixable. Underneath here could actually be a pretty minty Dyson DC01. Wow, it's 2019 now. In fact, this is over 21 years old now. 21, eh? You still feel brand new to me from my age bracket. So I remember these coming out, all the hoo-ha, all the coolness. The cable is fab, which is great because we have the Dyson branded moulded plug. Always an absolute crying shame when you have to lose that because of a damaged cable. But in this instance, we don't. Crikey, this is very, very good indeed. So there we go, really. Our first look at the Dyson DC01 standard from 1998. We unboxed it, checked it works really well. Vacuumed the view, it's done terribly. I mean, there's so much rice falling out of the thing. It's, yeah, don't read too much into that. There's a reason Dyson saying when they call this is a better than a mains powered upright vacuum cleaner, they're actually normally referring to one of these. But it works. So, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for the after video and many other vacuum cleaning related stuff. And I shall see you soon. Bye bye.